Press down the button on the camera until you hear "Enter the setting mode."
Enter the setting mode.
Open the CMSV7 app before connecting to Wi-Fi. Search for the Wi-Fi hotspot named S2/S6XXXX on your phone and connect to it. Enter the Wi-Fi password 112-233-4455. After connecting to Wi-Fi AP mode, click Find directly without entering a password. Change the settings, enter the initial password 888888. Please fill in these items based on SIM card information. Continuously click the button in the upper right corner to refresh the dialing status. When an IP address appears, it indicates successful dialing. The device ID must be 12 digits. Please enter your server IP address and port number. Link indicates successful connection to the server.